guys, Cameron here from Misfit Cartel with my custom coat. Start off with the bars. We the People OD bars, I love these bars. And ODI grips. I had them for a while. And par ends, wear those down. I have a Salt Plus front load stem. And Odyssey headset, gray headset. My frame is the Death Row DAC signature in raw 21-inch. My forks are just Salt forks, I painted them. And I got Salt Plus Macy front wheel, Shadow Conspiracy Undertaker front tire, a Sima peg and a Fit peg. Let's go back. Eclat pedals, Salt cranks, $1 million Sprocket, indestructible, KMC Kool Chain, a Fiend seat post, new Sunday seat, pivotal seat. I got a Salt back tire, Salt Plus rim, and yeah, same as my front.